Hey guys, welcome back to HM Advisor. Today, I'm going to show you how players unlock one of the most popular wave icons in Geometry Dash, the Fat Wave, also known by many players as Wave 17. At first, it looks almost impossible because the game requires 4,000 diamonds. But the truth is, most players are grinding in the slowest way possible. If you stay consistent with a few simple methods, you can unlock it much faster than expected. First, never ignore the daily chests. Open both chests every single day because the diamonds add up surprisingly fast over time. A lot of players underestimate how valuable free daily rewards really are. Next, check the quest section regularly. This is one of the easiest ways to earn extra diamonds without doing anything complicated. Most quests only require normal gameplay like completing levels, collecting stars, or opening rewards. Now, if you really want to speed up your progress, focus on daily levels, weekly demons, and limited-time events whenever they appear. Events are especially useful because they can reward a large number of diamonds if you keep playing consistently. While practicing difficult levels, many experienced players also prefer using smaller wave icons because they feel smoother and easier to control during tight spaces. It won't instantly improve your skill, but it can definitely make gameplay feel more comfortable. So yeah, unlocking the Fat Wave is not really about luck. It's all about grinding smarter and staying consistent. Keep collecting rewards every day, and those 4,000 diamonds will come much faster than you think.